Hello guys, my name is Abhishek Joshi and I'm a current student of JBIMS Mumbai. Welcome back to yet another video of the CET series. So here we are going to talk about how to crack JBIMS in next 2 months. So now that we know that CET is going to happen on 9th and 10th of March, it's high time to start preparing for the CET. So this is the video dedicated to the preparation strategy of CET for the next 2 months. So I have divided these strategies into three parts. First thing is that be consistent. So you have to be very much consistent when it comes to the preparation of CET. So the first thing that I want to talk about is you have to do 2 topics a day, and that too with a rotation. Now let me explain this. Let's say you are going to start the preparation from tomorrow. Let's say this is Monday. Let's say this is Monday. So on Monday, what you're going to do is you are going to prepare a topic from LR, and at the same time you are going to prepare a topic from QA. On the next day, what you're going to do is, let's say it is Tuesday. On Tuesday, what you're going to do is you are going to prepare another topic from QA and yet another topic from, let's say, abstract reasoning. On Wednesday, what I want you guys to do is a topic from abstract reasoning and another topic from, let's say, verbal reasoning. And again on Thursday, starting with verbal, I'll do another topic from LR. So can you see the rotation is there? One topic from LR, one topic from QA, another topic from LR and AR, like from abstract reasoning on Tuesday and so on. So what will happen is that after this, you'll be able to solve a variety of questions and you'll not get bored with this, right? So that's how the rotation should work. 2 topics a day, 2 topics a day, and that too with the rotation. Okay. Second thing is that never skip a day. You are not going to skip a single day. You just have 60 days, 65 days in your hand. So you'll not spend any day. You're not going to take a break. Instead of taking a break, what you can do is, if you want to take a break, let's say there's a day where you are going to do QA and LR. Skip QA for the day, but at least do one topic for the particular day. Don't skip a particular day or don't particularly waste a complete day without doing anything. Second thing is that be different. What do I mean by that? The things which the general public do, you don't have to do that. Okay, you just try to avoid that thing. So basically, first you should try and learn various shortcuts. The shortcuts are going to help you a lot. Trust me, by using the shortcuts, you can literally reduce the time by 30 minutes. So if a normal guy can solve the particular paper in 150 minutes, you can able to solve that paper in 120 minutes. And that means you have a buffer of 30 minutes in your hand. And in 30 minutes, you can again try some different 30-40 questions. So shortcut learning is very important. This will help you guys to reduce the question time by around, let's say if the question is solvable in a minute, if a normal guy solves it in a minute, you'll be able to solve it in a 30 seconds. There are a lot of shortcuts available. You definitely should check those shortcuts. Second thing is that you should focus on the MPM thing. Now, I already explained this thing. What is MPM? MPM is nothing but the marks that you're getting in a minute. Marks per minute. Okay. A lot of people don't know about this, but this is very important factor. So we know that we have 150 marks. We have 150, let's say we have 150 questions. We have 150 marks and we have 200 minutes. Sorry, we have 150, 200 questions, 200 marks and 150 minutes. Okay. So in 1 minute, if you solve a question, it is 150 upon 200, right? That's why, yeah, in order to get 150 plus marks, you should solve one question in a minute. And that's why the MPM should always be greater than 1. For example, let's say for a particular question, if you are taking around 2 minutes to solve that question, you just ended up wasting one more extra minute for that. And that basically, that is something that you need to avoid. So in order to get good score, you should always check your MPM. Okay. After this, we'll talk about the mocks. Taking mocks and solving them in a regular interval is also important. You should try to give a mock every alternate day. Okay. So let's say if you tried it today, you're taking a gap of a day and then you're again going to try it a day after tomorrow. This should be continued till the final day. Okay. So now that you have around 60-65 days in your hand, at least I'm expecting at least 30 mocks. 30 mocks is something that you should try. That is about mocks. It is not only about solving mocks or giving them at a regular interval. It's also about analyzing the mock in a good way. So let's say if you require around 2.5 hours to give a particular mock, the analysis should take around 3 to 3.5 hours. Okay, 3 to 3.5 hours is something that you should analyze the mock for. And what is the result? What should be the result of this analysis? You should come up with the topics which you are good at, your strengths basically, and your weaknesses at the same time. The topics that you are weak at. The topics that you are good at, I'm not going to leave these topics. I'm going to see basically कि एक टॉपर ने इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट को या फिर इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन को कितने टाइम में सॉल्व किया है, एंड देन आई सी कि मेरा टाइम कितना है. If let's say topper ka time is 30 seconds and I solve this question in a minute, definitely there is a trick which is involved and I don't know that trick. So again you have to learn that trick. And the topics that I'm weak at, uska kya karna hai mujhe? I need to strong this topic. You have to make sure that you are strengthening your strong topics and you are strengthening your weak topics so that at least these topics are something that you'll be able to solve in exam. Okay. तो ये एक हो गया analysis. These are some of the tricks. These are some of the things that you should do in the next 2 months. And I hope you like this. Please comment down whether you want some more videos like this. And yeah, that's it about this video. I'll hope to see you guys in the next video.